Falls are one of the leading environmental hazards reported in hospitals. One of the most common occurrence that precipitates a client's fall. Fall daw, okay, one of the most common occurrence. So ano ba yung most common occurrence ng fall or causes ng fall? Getting out of a bed to go to the bathroom, common. Leaving the side rails down, well, maybe common. Okay, pwede. Ano pa? Experiencing stress, anxiety, and fatigue. Yes, lahat naman nakaka-experience ng stress. Sleeping on a wet floor. Yes. Now, what is the best answer? The best answer here is letter A. So, getting out of bed to go to the bathroom, yan ang pinaka-most common reported hospital hazards or fall incidents ng mga hospitals. Usually, okay, nangyayari to sa gabi. Okay? Ano pa? Usually if the room is dark and or walang lights, no lights. Okay? And nangyayari nito sa mga elderly, 'di ba? Sila mga most common. Ano pa? Aside sa elderly, lahat ng mga may or nag-undergo ng post-surgery. Okay, dahil meron silang yung anesthesia, yung effect ng anesthesia hindi pa nagwa-worn off or worn out, okay? So usually sila ang mga at risk.